Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Firstly, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Wanur Atirah binti Wan Zakaria, metric number 1719556.
And my name is Nur Ifahliana, metric number 1714384.
We have been supervised by Assistant Professor Dr. Hafiza binti Mansur. Our group will present about our application, which is Password Management System named iLOCK. Password is used to protect most of a human's privacy in the digital world. However, nowadays, people are too busy and they do not put enough effort into securing their personal matter, especially their passwords. Android-based application named iLOCK has been built to help people keep their passwords in a safer environment. Tools like Ionic, Visual Code Studio, and also selected algorithms has been used to build this application that ensure the system is at high security level and prevent the data breach. This application is actually help the users to secure the passwords for various accounts that they prefer. For the problem statement, people tend to choose to remember all the passwords or save them at any random place, like writing down the password on the sticky notes and put it in the drawer, save in the notes application, or even just save the passwords in a physical notebook. In reality, problems arise when a lot of people cannot access their accounts due to forgetting the passwords, and also people prefer to reuse the same password for different accounts, such as using one exact identical password for Instagram, email, and also online banking site. From the problem, we have achieved three objectives, such as the first one, to study the tools and platform that can be used to create an application that can store all the passwords safely. Second, to develop a secure mobile application that can store all the sensitive information. The third one, to test the ability and effectiveness of the system to secure the information that is being kept. For the methodology, we have chosen the Agile Development Lifecycle to complete build this application. There are 6 steps have been included in this cycle. For the design phase, we have included the flowchart part, which the actors that involve are the users and also the database. For the users, they can register, log in, log out, enter the data for the banking account, social media account, mailing account, online shopping account, and also notes. They also can delete all the saved data that have been saved before and also reset the iLOCK password. Password for the banking account, social media account, mailing account, online shopping account that have been saved by the users in this application will be encrypted and also decrypted by the database. In order to clarify the criteria and gain the accurate knowledge about the password management application, we have done some observation and reviewed 3 existing mobile-based applications, which are Tiny Password, LastPass Password Manager, and also the PassVault. From these 3 applications, we have built our own application named iLOCK. Our application can be used by only Android users, which they can fully access to this application for free. They do not need to manually Google the website that they want, as this application have the advantage to auto-link to selected website. The users need to enter password only to log in to this application, and the users do not need to worry about the safety of the password, as the strength of the security is strong.
Now, let's go through our iLOCK. Here is the main page of our iLOCK. Welcome to iLOCK, and it consists some information regarding our application. Once we click on Start, we will need to choose whether we want to register or sign in. Since I don't have any account yet, let's register an account. Once done, register. It will direct to the login page. We need to insert our email and password again. Login. This is the home page of our application. When we click Notes, we will be able to enter the title and also the details of our notes. And then we can click on Create Notes. And then it will be displayed down here. We can choose to edit and delete. Once we are editing our notes, we can click on Update. Be aware here, if you don't enter anything in the title and details, you can create notes. Now, mailing. Here are the list of famous mailing. Also, submit. Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. On Instagram section, you need to enter the user name and also the password. Clicking Save will be able to encrypt the password. Go will bring you directly to your Instagram account, but we have an error here where we should log in directly, but we can't do that. Now, let's edit our password. Editing on this password and then click Update will be able to automatically encrypt the password that we saved. Here. Delete. And also for banking account, we have displayed some famous banking account, and there go shopping account too. It has the same function as before. For setting, we can choose to delete all data, where it should delete all the data that we have entered before. On setting also, we can see the change password. We need to enter the email that we use for this application in order to reset our password. And then check our email whether we are receiving an email to reset our password. Click on the link given and then we will be able to edit or reset our password. Once we are resetting our password, we can click on Save and log in back to the application with the same email and different password. And then we can click Log in. Upon clicking Login, it brings us to the home page again. And then we can choose our developer section. We can choose Instagram to stay connected with our developer or any other platform that we prefer. And then let's log out. As for the future work, besides fixing the error that we cannot auto log in to the desired website, this application also should be able to be used by the disabled people. And a discussion have come to a conclusion where this application should have auto-delete account after a month of inactive users, and also user timeout auto-lock application. Besides that, this application should be able to be used by both Android and iOS users. As for the conclusion, iLOCK has given a new secure environment for people, especially those who have difficulty in remembering their own password. By developing this application, it can help people to save their time spent and effort to remember each password. As the burden is reduced, we can assume that people can now access to any account without having problems regarding the security. That is all from us. Thank you.